the focus is actually the thing that's not tech. I think that's the most important shift that everyone kind of like has to have. Um, Otherwise, I made a reel this morning. I was mentioning it on not a reel, but a video. I was talking about how AI is literally now a language, right? But let's look at the English language. Just because you know how to speak English doesn't necessarily make you that much more valuable for society. In certain countries, it is, right? Maybe in Quebec, we speak French. So if you know English, maybe and you get a job, maybe they're going to pay you a few more bucks per hour, right? You might get $5, $10 more because you can speak a different language. But it doesn't make you so special that you can command thousands of dollars more per month or per year. That's what the tech side is becoming. It is becoming so commoditized and so available that it is not going to be worth much. But here's where it gets important. That doesn't necessarily mean that people who speak English aren't able to make $1 million in an hour or in 90 minutes. Someone uses that same language to go in front of people, walk them through a specific process of pulling out their pain, communicating back their desires, walking them through the process of how to solve the problem and get hundreds of people to buy and to spend a lot of money. It's the same underlying language. So it's not, so that's what when I see a lot of people falling for the tech trap, I see it as like you're trying to master speaking English. Okay, like okay, perfect. Good job. Everybody's going to be speaking that language. The opportunity is in where do we, what is the most leveraged place we can apply English to? Is it in customer service? Is it in high ticket sales? Is it in learning to do content? It's still the same language, but every step you skip, you add another zero to your earning potential. If you guys can start perceiving that as the lens through which you know what to focus on, start looking at AI as like, okay, and especially now that, we're all going to have the ability to build agents that have access to skills. Please remember, it's not about what you do, it's about what you apply it to. You apply it to the wrong game, super commoditized, hard to sell, hard to stand out. But yeah, I heard this from Boris, the guy who created Claude Code. I was just listening to a conversation, and the language thing, he essentially was talking about how he compares AI as or coding to the printing press. When the printing press released, people back then didn't necessarily use to read and write. So reading and writing was super valuable, right? It was worth so much. But then when the printing press came and made, I guess what, text readily available to everyone, then it took maybe 50, 100 years for people to now start learning to read. But then the process of writing or reading became pretty useless. So then what happens? So it's good to think in these orders of magnitude because you have to make money. It's always in an arbitrage moment. If everyone understands what you understand, then it's not really worth much. But if you can just learn to think, hey, how does this impact the world we live in and the processes we're currently executing in a business or other businesses, then you can bring back the future back to the present and monetize it. Um, but yeah, any questions? Anybody got questions? Love